what you can do is a single crochet join, and you can do it on the back loop only. So instead of going through both, you go through the back loop on the one, and this one here you want to grab the back loop. So the back loop is the one that's is furthest from you. So if you're looking at it from this perspective, this is the front loop, this is the back, so it's the bottom one. And what you can do is just use those two loops only, and you're going to do a I'm just doing a standing single crochet, but you're only going to use those strands only. And so you use the back loop in this one and the back loop of this one, like that. Welcome to my channel, and I'm here to inspire you, give you crochet advice, and help you along with your next project. If you enjoyed this pattern, please give me a thumbs up or even comment so I can gauge your interest. It helps me to know what to film next. And what this is doing is it's causing it to naturally sink down because it's creating a little bit more distance from the squares from each other. So I'm just moving the yarn tail out of my way. And so once you can sandwich them together, and it's really easy to do that. And I'm gonna show you the advantage in a moment. Now some people will argue that, you know, you're only grabbing one strand instead of two. Does that make the afghan a little bit more weak? Yeah, it can, but you know, these strands are pretty strong on their own. So let's just do a few more. Okay. And then what we want to do then is that we want to just kind of pull it apart. So this here is not as tall as it was, and it looks like it's more sunk down, and you still have the single crochet, and it looks slightly different than what you just did from before.